On the front fender here, I paint the inside and outside with the rust converter. I never used this product before, don't know if it's good or not, but I will try it. Now we will paint it with some primer, and then we have some proper paint on it. I know I have some pinholes down here, but I think we will let them be. Maybe fill them with filler, but it doesn't matter because I don't use this fender. I have out here we have the other fender, the plastic one. So really technically you could cut all this away, but I will have it there. So that will be fine for this repair. And we have done the same here. Let's see. This rear fender I also painted with this rust converter, and we will have primer on it before we weld it together. Then we weld a new piece in here. And here we still have to remove some more rust, and it's the same way all the way here. We will blast this area with the sand blaster, and after blasting it we will take rust converter on this front fender too. And here we will weld in a new piece so we can fit the front fender to this console. And then both of the front fenders have holes in them right here. You have a crack right here on both of the fenders. I hope I just can weld it together, but it may be too thin. Here we have some rust to remove, and then put down this piece and weld it together. And we have this fender with the crack here we have to take care of. But I think overall it's not so much. At first it seems like, oh, what a lot of rust I found under the skirts, but it's not so much at all. This will be an easy fix, I think. We're also going to blast all these small things we have. We can sandblast them. And then we have the repair of the door here we have to take care of. But the progress goes on. It's going faster than I think with this rust repair. So, yes. I have cleaned up a bit in here, and I will put rust converter on all the surface. If it is some rust left where I have blasted, the rust converter will take care of it. So rust converter, and after that it have to dry a couple of hours, and we will prime it, and then I can weld the pieces back together. Hello! I got the package in the mail today. It's really exciting to see what's inside. Let's take a look. I think we put it down here and see. It looks great. What can it be? I ordered a lot of stuff. I think I know what it is. Let's see, almost there. Let's see if you can see what it is when I open this. I think it's gonna be hard to see inside what it is, but I'm going to open everything and soon you're gonna find out what it is. This, some paper, and this one. I also got this USB stick. And let's open it up. It can be inside. More stuff here. I will look into these things later. And I think you know what it is. It said I should inspect it when it's arrived, and that's what I'm doing now. Checking all the seams. If you want to see when I'm installing this, just go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And you will soon see when I install this in the car. I have never done this before, but how hard could it be? I probably will figure it out how to do it. You will input the window after it's installed in the car. And in this car it's a glass window. It looks great. Now we're going to try to do the first welding on the car and see how well we can patch up all this hole I have cut in the car. I have done some small pieces that we try to fit in all these parts in here. So just adjust them to the right position and then try to weld them in place. I'm going to try to use this welder. It don't have that much adjustments on the welding, but we will do our best. I bought these magnetic angles. They help a lot when you try to get the pieces in the right position. So I did get some deformation around here. It's did get too hot when I welded, and I have to weld a couple of spots more here. I can see I got the pinhole there, and the rest look good. So weld again that, and then we grind it down again. This was not so good. It's a dent here after all the heat. Really disappointed about that. That's it for today. It's Friday afternoon, and I'm going to eat now. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.